Hello guys, this is Donzia and you are welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can change your phone number that is linked to your Kuda account, whether you have locked the original phone number that you added to your account when you are opening it and you want to change the phone number. So here is a simple step-by-step tutorial on how you can do it without having to rely on any customer support from Kuda or anything. So this is just going to take you a full minute of your time. Please don't forget to watch it to the end and subscribe. So the first thing first is to come to your Play Store and update your Kuda bank app to the latest version. So after updating your Kuda mobile application, so then you are going to log in, because everything you want to do, you are going to do it after accessing the Kuda account, your Kuda mobile app successfully. So please note that before you proceed with this, there are two things that are actually involved. So you must still have access to your Kuda login, which means you can log in, you can still access the Kuda on any phone that you have probably logged in before, that you have downloaded the Kuda app on and logged in. Because if you are trying to access it on new device, definitely an OTP will be required, and the OTP is probably going to be sent to the phone number, though it can be sent to the email too. And if the number is existing on WhatsApp, they can send it to, but then it doesn't get delivered like that, unlike when you actually have the phone number. So that's a pointer. Now also know that the new phone number that you want to add to your Kuda account, that you want to remove the old number and change the new phone number, okay, there are two things that are involved. The new phone number must have been added either to your NIN profile or your BVN. What this means that probably if you are using an MTN before, and it's the MTN that you use to open your Kuda account and register it, and then it's also the MTN number that you have used previously to when you want to do your own NIN and probably your BVN too. It's possible like that. Then at the long run, probably you lost the phone number, you lost the SIM, you were unable to retrieve it, because there are some instances whereby your the phone number that you use when you register for your NIN and BVN, you might not be the original the original owner that purchases initially. So it's possible, so whereby you might not be able to retrieve it upon losing the phone number, so which now going to prompt you to want to change it on your Kuda account. And it is unwise to just change it on your mobile app and not update your phone number all around the vital document that is needed. So this is why this is actually paramount. So the phone number must have been added to your NIN or your BVN, or both. But to be safe, if you are not using the old phone number again, just make sure that you update your all information, your NIN and BVN, to the new phone number. Now after doing that, then you come to the Kuda app and open it. So when you open the Kuda app, you'll be asked to log in. So now after logging, you don't have much to do, so you will come here, right here. So you are going to click on it. So when you click on it, you are going to scroll down right here, phone number. So you are going to click on it. As you can see, there is a prompt. Notice that we like to update your phone number, and please also know that the new phone number must be linked to your BVN and NIN, or so it can be linked to both or any one of the two. So it doesn't have to be two, but to be safe, if you are not using your number again, add it to both. Then you click on continue. And also, factor to consider is that you can update your phone number every 30 days, which means after 30 days you are free to change the phone number again. Probably if you end up losing it again. Some people are just bad at keeping their stuff, so you can never can tell. Nigeria can happen to anybody. So now I'm going to test this with two different number. One with one number that is linked to somebody else NIN, and two with one number that is not even linked to any NIN at all. Because I'm not trying to change your phone number, I'm just trying to put you through the whole process of how you are going to go about changing your phone number on the with new formats, because this is not how we have been doing it before. So this is the new update. So now I'm going to first of all enter. So it shouldn't go because this phone number is linked to another NIN entirely. As you can see, someone else already signed up using this phone number. Okay, even this phone number. So now I'll just use this number instead. So I should be getting an OTP soon. So the OTP has arrived. So let me enter it. So paste, and as you can see, phone number not linked. So to avoid this, you must have already linked your phone number to your NIN profile or your BVN, or both. And if you don't know how to go about it, I can help you to update your phone number to your NIN. So you don't have to stress about the whole process. I can help you through the whole process, and everything will be done in 48 hours. And you'll be able to use the phone number on your Kuda account, even for any other related information. So you can contact me on my email address that is visible in this video, and you can have a chat there. Or probably you check the pin down comment section, whereby you are going to click a link that's going to take you directly to my WhatsApp inbox, and then we can also talk there. Either of the two, it works. Anyhow works for me. So don't forget to drop a comment, share and like, and subscribe also. So because what the essence of making this video is for you guys. So feel free to drop any question you are facing in the comment section, and I'll be able to answer it. Peace out.